This is the 2023 Volkswagen T-Roc Cabriolet Edition Grey with prices starting from 47,000 euros. The new car comes with a matte grey exterior color, the R-Line body kit and a long equipment list. Standard equipment includes a set of black 18-inch wheels, the black style package with a fancy rear spoiler, IQ Light LED Matrix headlights, the Discover Media infotainment, the IQ Drive Assistant suite with the semi-autonomous travel assist, a heated steering wheel with touch-sensitive controls, and a rear-view camera. The optional Edition Plus package adds black 19-inch Suzuka wheels, the flagship Discover Pro infotainment, the BeatsAudio sound system, and the adaptive chassis control for the suspension. A unique feature of the Edition Grey is the numbered sills, showing that this is a limited offering of just 999 units. The Volkswagen T-Roc Cabriolet Edition Grey is offered with the turbocharged 1.5-liter petrol engine producing 150 horsepower. Guys, if you like our video, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.